Welcome to tutorial. Today in this video I will guide you how to run your Facebook ads in a cheap rate. So just follow this tutorial to understand how to create your Facebook ad on Facebook. So this is a different type of ad: brand awareness, reach, traffic, engagement, app installation, video views, lead generation, messages. So what you want? So I want traffic for my website. So I want get traffic for my website. So this I am going to create a traffic. So you can create a different type of ad according to your need. So I want traffic for my website. So let's continue. So once you continue, a new page open you here. So here you can see a complete setup page. You need to add a campaign name, ad name. So I am giving a ad, so simple ad. So website, so what you want: website traffic, ad, messenger and WhatsApp. So I want website traffic for my website. So daily budget is $20. So I am adding a $20. So I am just changing $5 from $20 to $5 to run my ad. So starting date is January 31 and end date is, so when you want to end this ad. So I want to end this ad in February 5. So you sidebar you can see estimate daily results. So here you can see change your location. So I am want to change my location. Simply edit this location and remove this. If you want a different country, just remove this and click on search bar. So simply search here in which country you want to run this ad. So I want to run this ad in United States and get a lowest cost. Simply get a lowest cost $0.01 cost per click. So Facebook will charge you from $0.01 for one click. So I am adding I don't know why I am not getting United States here. So here you can see I got a United States. Just let's select United States. If you want some more country, then search and add more country in your. So which gender? So I want 18. So I don't want 60 plus. That's and this is not perfect for my ad. So I am changing 80 plus to 40 plus. So I want this this specific audience. So I want manual placement. So automatic, never insert automatic. So Instagram is some high ad rate. So I don't want run my ad on Instagram. So you can select a different type of ad where you want to show your ad, and also Facebook show you demo how your ad show on Facebook. So you can check mark the ad and run your ad on different type of Facebook platform. So link, so our target is link clicks. So landing page views, daily unique reach. So our target is link clicks. So cost control optional. So never enter any amount. So if you enter, then maybe your ad will not run and maybe Facebook will cost you more. So leave it as a empty. Then Facebook cost you $0.01 for single click. So you can get more click for your website visitor and link click. So I think almost done. So here you can see estimate daily reaches 1k to 2.8k daily reaches. So all done. Then our setting ad is done. So let's select a page. So I select my page and warning your change. So next step is add a URL, website URL. So I just, for example, I am adding my YouTube video. Add YouTube video URL for a demo purpose. So here you can see how it's look like on. So I am just paste. So here you can see how it's look like on Facebook. Show you a demo how it's look like on Facebook. So this is so easy. So I am just giving you a demo how to run ad on Facebook so website. So you can add primary text, header text and more text. So I am giving you demo how to run your Facebook ad because I am not adding a payment method. That's why Facebook show me verify your charges. So I am not add a payment method. So then once you add a payment method, then click on publish button, then Facebook review your ad, then they will publish and your ad running for audience, and you will get traffic for your website from $0.01 for your website. I hope this tutorial helpful for you how to run ad for your website. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. I will meet you in the next video. I hope this tutorial helpful for you.